Hi, this is Legoshi. Today, we're gonna visit an operating system based on Linux, of course, Ubuntu specifically, but the user interface looks like macOS. So today, we're gonna visit Elementary OS. From the description of distrowatch.com, Elementary OS is an Ubuntu-based desktop distribution. Some of its more interesting features include a custom desktop environment called Pantheon, which is what this desktop is called, and many custom apps, including photos, music, videos, calendar, terminal files, and more. It is also come with some familiar apps like the Epiphany web browser and a fork of Geary mail. So now the version that are available now is version 5.1.7, while this one, the version I use is version 5.1. So Elementary OS is based on Debian and Ubuntu, which is use Pantheon as a desktop environment. This one, this is called Pantheon. Now we investigate what this Elementary OS can do. So the first one that I want to try is to view a PDF. Is it able to view a PDF? Yes, it does. And the PDF that I now opening is called Polny Anglo-Ruski Rusko-Angliski Slovar, or the English title name Complete English Russian English Dictionary. So the version that we have, is it's back from 2017, where now it's 2021. I don't mind about all version of software if it is not breaking any of my document. Okay, let's say I open this one. I'm open with Abbey Word. Let's okay, this is Abbey Word. It is a word processor, although it is quite old, 2012, but it is useful. This one, Abbey Word, doesn't come by default. Must install it using sudo apt install Abbey Word. So the document that I look now is table of electrical resistivity and conductivity. I pull it from some website because I look for this information. It's a table of resistivity and conductivity at 20 degrees Celsius. So this is a document opening, and it is extension docx, which is the new version of Office document extension format. And then what else? We don't have any application to open PowerPoint, so we skip for that for a moment. How about to open music? We have music application. Let's try it now. sorry for the song that I or the video that I will choose, because well, mostly because some random automatic automatic things. Let's see. Now to sort this out is this one above here. So let's open this. So what version is this? It it doesn't tell the version of this app. So let's close this one. Now let's go to the video, just simple one, just to investigate whether this type of operating system able to do simple tasks like browsing, playing video, music, open document, and so on, which is this does do. So let's see what type of problem I face. Let's see. So the music and the video that I play, this is copyright to the rightful owners, which is credited to the rightful owners. This is a videos app. It doesn't tell version also because this is one is built into the operating system itself, the elementary OS. Let's watch some more. Prochlebio istalica swojego mowiny. Prochlebio istalica swojego mowiny. It's just so nice about the song. Okay, there is an application named App Center. Let's see what it does. Well, you just go to the application center. Let's go see what we have in the application center. So we have a few categories here, like accessories, audio, communication, development, education, finance, games, graphics, internet, math, science and engineering, media production, office, system, universal access, video, writing and language. So let's go to office and we see, ooh, dog, what is this badger? Never mind. This one. Oh, but if I want to download task manager, let's see, it doesn't have a task manager here built in, so let's find a task manager. Oh, there you go. Sometimes it will say fail to fetch updates. Well, like Windows, we don't want updates. Well, we have task manager, monitor. I believe this monitor is the one that very nice. Oh no, not really. Okay, let's find a new task manager. Oh, GNOME system monitor. There we go, the one that look nice. Screenshot not available. Okay, alright, just say install non-curated app. GNOME System Monitor is not curated by Elementary and has not been reviewed for security, privacy, or system integration. It may not receive bug or future updates. It may access or change system or personal file without permission. Well, this one is a live USB, so nothing harm, of course. So let's install. And before that, this one is actually mounted. This is the drive. I mount. Why you mount, you say? Because, well, to test this out. Nothing else want to be tested here because, well, we have tried videos, music, documents like Word and PDF. Presentation cannot because we don't have any presentation app here. Oh, we have installed something. Ting, it just make the nice sound. Okay, let's eject this one because we doesn't need anymore. Okay, close this file, and there you go. We have GNOME System Monitor. Let's see how much it use, because we have used we use this recording software called screen recording software called Simple Screen Recorder. So it is much lag because, well, you use everything here to record something. So let's open System Monitor, make it large, there we go, and look for resources. My processor has 6 core 12 thread, so you're gonna see it like this. 6 core 12 thread. This is Ryzen 5500U. Wait, I gonna open NeoFetch later. So there you go. It's not much. It's like 50% of the CPU roughly, and the RAM that it uses now is like 2.2 GB out of 8 GB, or roughly 7.2 now. And the internet doesn't move because I don't use internet. So it is used, well, 50% of your CPU. If you're not recording this, well, it will be lower, but now I'm recording the screen, so that's why it just spike like this. And the RAM is 2.2 GB out of 7.2 GB that I have here. Okay, let's go to NeoFetch, which is nice one. neo fetch. Ready? 1 2 3. There you go. The operating system that I use now for live USB is Elementary OS 5.1.7. No, the latest one. Okay. And then the processor that I use is AMD Ryzen 5 5500U 6 core 12 thread with the GPU AMD device 164C. I never heard. And then the memory that I now use is 2010 megabyte or 2.01 gigabyte out of 7.42 gigabyte. I think that's all. I think it is a short one. So my verdict about this, it is good. The first one, it is good. The second one, the first one, the good about this operating system is the looks of it. The appearance of this makes it is look like macOS, which is very nice. The second one is, well, how usable it is to do simple and basic tasks. But the thing that I don't like is the first one. Well, it lacks of application, needs to install by terminal or app center terminal here using sudo, which is root or administrator command to show you are an admin. Sudo apt stand for application, apt install, and then whatever application you put, for example VLC. But in this case we don't need, because we have video and music. Why you need VLC? Okay. That's all for me. It's just a simple one. Investigate whether this one is a very good one. Well, it does, and it is very good, but it lacks of application, makes everyone just bothered installing things and such and such. That's all for me. Thank you for watching. That's all.